In this video, I'll take you through Madness, which is a room on TryHackMe. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've already started the machine. It's up and running. And let's see, what does it have to say? Will you be consumed by madness? So can you get some more information? So they want the user.txt and the root.txt. So let's get started. I'll grab the IP address, and I've already done the nmap scan. I'll just show you the results right here. So here you have the nmap scan right here. I'm doing SC for scanning the default scripts, SV for service enumeration, TAC-PN for no host discovery, then TAC uppercase A for thorough enumeration, an aggressive scan, revealing the OS, the services running, and everything else. So as you can see here, we have port 22 open. This is the default port for SSH. Then you have port 80 open. This is an Apache web server running. Then I forgot to mention something here. Here it says, please note this challenge does not require SSH brute forcing. Use your skills to access the user and root account. So what I'll do, I'll first check the web page. So I'll go into that. Let's check the web page. And as you can see, we have just this default Apache web server web page. So we have it here. So from this, we can look around, but it's just the default page. And what more we can do is check the page source to see if there's anything in it for us. So you can view source. You can also use control U to view the page source. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, and here we have this. So as you can see, just the normal HTML template, the head section, the CSS right there. So let's scroll down, and when you scroll down, there's nothing much on this other end, but up here you'll see this thm.jpg, and if you realize, that is what is here. This what seems like a broken image right here. So when you click to that, let me delete that. You can see here it says it's a PNG image, but this says that the image cannot be displayed because it contains errors. So what we'll do, we'll go back to our terminal. Then first let me just grab this, because I want to see if I can get the image. So I'll copy that, get back to the terminal. Here I'll perform a wget, then I'll specify the URL. Okay, as you can see, it has already downloaded. So let's check. Here it is, thm.jpg. And what I can try to do is, let me get here to see if I can view it. Okay, so that should be in, where are we? Right here, then right here, then this is it. So let's see if you can view it. And as you can see, we have an error here, error interpreting the JPEG file. So what we'll do, I'll get back, let me get back to the terminal, and what I'll do, I'll try to check, I'll try to do a hex dump to see what it truly is in it, if it's corrupt or something of that sort. So I'll just use hx editor, then that way. And as you can see here, I don't know if it's really visible. Let me Okay, yeah, that way. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this 89504E, this here, and as you can see, it's a .png, but we should convert it to a JPEG because it from the extension it says it's a JPEG, so it's corrupted. So what we'll do, we'll change it to uh, .jpg format. So for that, what I'll do, I'll just look up the list of file signatures. So we'll check out the list.file signatures. Okay, we'll just use this one from Wikipedia right here. That will suffice. It's taking some time to load, but let's wait for it. I guess my machine is kind of slow. Okay, here it seems to have loaded. A little more time and we should be seeing the page. Okay. Okay, so here we have it. It has loaded, and this is just a list of the file signatures, the magic numbers or the magic bytes. So what we'll do, I'll do Control F so that we can search for. We want to look for the file signature of .jpg. So after doing Control F, you can just do JPG, and here we have the magic numbers for JPG. JPG should be starting with these numbers right here. So what I'll do, I'll come back to where's that terminal right here. So we have, let me see, we have FFD8, FFE0, 00104A46. So I think until there we can, it should already be enough to change it. So let me go back to our hex editor where we did the hex dump. Okay, so that was if I can remember that right, that was FF, and we had D8, then E0, then 00, then 10, then 4A46. Yeah, I think that's enough. So then I will just do Control S to save, Control X to save. So will it be Control S or Control X? Let me see. Yeah, Control X. So yeah, that's right. Okay, so now we can try to check if it's restored. So yeah, here it is. It's restored, as you can see here. Let's view it. It's just a matter of connecting the file signature from the corrupt.png to .jpg. So as you can see here, the picture has a clue. We can see it has a hidden directory, which is called this is hidden. So quickly what we'll do, go back here. Let me close these other tabs. So we'll go here, then go to the hidden directory, which was listed as this is hidden. So I'll just go into that. Okay, and we see we have our web page here. Welcome, I've been expecting you. To obtain my identity, you need to guess my secret. Secret entered. That is wrong. Get out of here. So we have this, and just to say this as a side note, we couldn't have found this hidden directory using GoBuster because GoBuster using the typical word lists doesn't have anything of this sort. This is hidden. It doesn't have anything of this sort. So either way, if you could have done a GoBuster scan, you wouldn't have found this directory. So yeah, that's just that. So I'll go to the page source, Control U, and see what's in here. And here you can see the typical whatever was being displayed. Then you have this comment right here, which says it's between 0 to 99, but I don't think anyone will look here. So as you can see here, this implies that there's a secret that we should be getting, which is between 0 to 99. So what you can do, this page requires us to impute the secret, which is between 0 to 99. But from this web page, there is no input box for us to try out the secrets from 0 to 99. So what we can just deduce from that is that this requires us to pass a parameter to the URL. So I'll just do, let's just do secret. So I'll do it with secret, then we'll try, let's say 1. So let's run that. And as you can see, we have it here. Secret entered 1. That is wrong. Get error here. So we can go ahead and try to all the way to 99, and we're just sure we'll find the number, because it should be, this comment right here says it should be between 0 to 99. So for that, trying out 0 all the way to 99 won't be so efficient, because it's a long list of numbers right in between 0 to 99. So what we can do as an alternative is write a script for that, so that we can automate the whole process. So what I'll just do, I'll go into Vim, then I'll do, let me do script.py, get into that, I for insert. Then we'll be using the Python requests module. So I'll just do that, request. Then let's first set the host that we're trying to get the request for. So that will be, let's come back here. Yeah, that will be, no, sorry, that would be this. This is the host right here. So let's get back here. So paste that. Then now we'll write our for loop. So now we'll do a loop in range of 100. So that will be range 100. Then for every loop, we'll let's first construct the URL first. So the URL will be HTTP that way, then plus the host, which is this one right here. So plus host, then concatenate that one to now this bit of it. Where is it? This one here. So that will be, you can just grab this until here. So let me copy that, then let's get back to the terminal, paste that right there, Control Shift V. Then we'll end it with, until then we'll concatenate the I that will be using to loop. So this will be just like the URL. Then for every iteration, it will go, let's say, from 0, 1 that way till 99, as we are using the range method. So that's that. We've already constructed the URL. Now let's get to now getting the request itself. So that will be request dot get, passing the URL. Then now, as you saw here, if the number that has been guessed is wrong, it will be giving us this text here that is wrong. So I can use this to check for every iteration if we have this, let's say this particular text here, that if it's there, if we don't have this message from the request text, that means that we've gotten the secret guessed right. So how to implement that? I'll just do if. So okay, let me just grab it here. So let's say we're grabbing this first bit of it just to be comprehensive. So yeah, so I'll do if. Let's paste that. So if this particular text is not in the request we've got, then we are now sure that would be the correct secret that we've found. So we'll just do found the secret. Let's just be explicit. So found the secret. Then we'll display the secret right here. Okay, then we'll also print the content, the HTML content. So yeah, that's that. So okay, so this script is just simple, importing the using the request module. We have the host right here. We are looping in range of 100. We are getting the URL, concatenating it with the, for each iteration we're concatenating. We are looping to check for the numbers from 0 to 100. Then if the HTML content doesn't have that is wrong, we know we will have found the answer. So we'll print that the number here, then we'll print the text here. So let me escape, right and quit. Then should I just let me just do this, make it executable. So yeah, that way. Okay, so now let's just run it. So I'll do Python 3, then script.py. So the script is running, we have an error. So okay, let's check and see what's up. Okay, what could be the issue? The error isn't quite clear, but let's get back to Vim and see. Come on. Okay, so let me just get back to it and see. So here we're importing the request, that's okay. This is, let's confirm that that is the IP address, which I guess is just correct. Then for I in range 100, we have the URL here, we have the host here. This is hidden secret, then you're passing this right there. Then request get URL, then if that is wrong, not in request.text, then you have print. Okay, what could be the issue? Let me see. So I've just realized that what was wrong was actually a very minor detail. We are missing this slash here, that one there. So that's okay, that's okay. Let's just write and quit. Let's try to write it out again. So let me first clear, then I'll just do that. Let me run it. Let's cross our fingers, hope it works out. I guess it's still looping for the numbers from 0 all the way to 99. So we should have the response in a few minutes. So let's give it time. So it's okay. So here it is. So as you can see, found the secret 73. Then you have the HTML, what is in the page. So as you can see here, so for us to read it better, let's just take this 73 and we can view it from here. So we found that the secret is 73. So 73 right there. Let's wait for it to load, and here we have it. So secret enter 73. You got it right, but I won't tell you who I am. So we have another string of texts here. So this particular string of texts is just what will you do? We'll use tag hide to get the hidden data from that particular image. So let me just take you through that really quick. Clean terminal. Then I'll use tag hide. Tag hide is a tool for extracting details from hidden in files such as images. So yeah, we'll just use that. So I'll do tag hide extract. Then I can do SF for stego file, the stego file. So the stego file is this particular one here. So I'll just do that. Then for the passphrase should be that. So Control Shift V, enter. Okay, and you can see wrote extracted data to hidden.txt. So if we check really quick, we'll find it here. Here it is, hidden.txt. We can cut that out. Hidden.txt. Fine, you found the password. Here's a username. So we have this particular username. I didn't say I would make it easy for you. And this username is just, it's been encrypted with rotation 13, yeah, some sort of cipher. So for that, let's just go into CyberChef, should be here. So I'll just go into CyberChef and it should be loading. Okay, we have it here. I hope it won't take long. Sometimes it just takes long to load for whatever reason, but let's see. So it has loaded. So we can just paste the text here, the string here. So what I'll do, I'll use that particular route 13. Where is it? Should be here. So you just click it and drag it here. Left click, then drag it here. So yeah, already we have it there. I've already dragged it. Okay. Yeah, there it is. And you can see it has automatically baked, and we have the decrypted text here. So the decrypted text is Joker. So we have this. So this would be some username of sorts, and you remember we have a search. So yeah, again, this CyberChef is just a tool that can makes decryption easy for you, so you can check it out. So we have Joker, as I said, we have Joker as a username. We'll use it as a search, but this is where this room gets interesting. The password to the SSH is in this particular image, this image of the room. So what we'll do, let me right click on it, then let me save the image. I know it's something that you can't just guess upfront. I had to look it up, but that's just that. So I'll save it here. No, what will I do? Right click, save image. Yeah, let me save it. Okay, it's re-downloaded. So now that it's there, let me get back to the terminal. Let me use this one here. Then let me just clear. So I'll do an LSLA. Here it is, right here. So again, we'll use tag hide to see what is in it. So I'll do tag hide, then we are doing extracting, then tag SF to mention the stego file. The stego file is this one here. So let me tab, then have it. It has no passphrase, so just press enter. Then as you can see, wrote extracted data to password.txt. So LSLA, we have the password.txt right here. Just cut that out, and yeah, we have it here. I didn't think you'd find me. Congratulations. Here, take my password. So this is the password right there. Copy that. Then let me just do that in a fresh terminal right here. So we'll SSH using the username that we found Joker. Then let's grab this, the IP address, Control Shift V right there. Then let me just grab the password before you continue. Copy selection, get back to the terminal. Okay, press enter. Then it asks for the password, just paste it right there. Okay, and you're in this particular machine, so we can check which groups Joker is in, and we have those. So nothing interesting. You can do an LSLA, right? No, come on, LSLA. And you can see we have this user.txt. So let's just cut that out. User.txt. And we have this. Let's grab it and go answer the user.txt question. That was here. So let's just paste that. Submit it. Okay, that's correct. So let's get back and get started on our privilege escalation. So for that, I'll first check if we have anything that you can run using the elevated privileges. So let me grab that, get back, paste that. Okay, we see Joker doesn't have anything to run with sudo. So okay, that's fine. So the next thing that we'll check is we'll check to see if you can get any files that has been set with SUID permission bit that we can run. We can run these particular files, which are usually executables that you can run with the privileges of the user and privileges of the file owner, I mean, and this is often the root. So for that, I'll just do a find. Just trying to find them. So specify the flag, the option as type flag, then for permissions, then 4000, and 4000 is just the permission that indicates that the file has set UID, which allows the file to run the privileges as I already said as root. So that's okay. Then we'll direct the standard errors to our null device, so that would be dev null. Okay, so yeah, that's that. So let's search. Okay, what's not happening? Okay, I didn't specify. We are searching from the root directory. Okay, that's okay. Let me run it. Yeah, so here we have a couple of files, and these are just the normal files right here, as you can see. But this particular one stands out for us. So what I'll do, I'll just grab that, then let me get back to my machine right here. Then I'll do a search sprite to see if I can find a vulnerability for it. So that was a screen, then it was, what was it, 4.5.0. Let's see. We are running search exploit to see if there's a vulnerability with that binary file. So yeah, here there is one. So as you can see, there's this particular one. So let me just grab this which has the script. So I copy that, then what will I do? Let me perform a locate for paste that. So we have it in here. So okay, what I could have just done, okay, let me grab this, copy that, then so we'll grab this. You can see here it's a script that will enable us to run as root. So let's just grab it here. It's a, as you can see, it's a local root exploit. So yeah, so let's just grab it till the end. Yeah, till there. We'll copy it, then we'll get back to our machine, the remote machine. Then here I'll just open a new file. What will I call it? Let me call it exploit.sh. Then okay, so paste it right here. I already have it here. I already pasted it. So okay, that's fine. So this is just the same file. I already pasted it. So it's just this, the same script, I mean this here. So yeah, that's that. Then now we can run it so that we can see if we can get into the machine as root. So okay, I'll get out of Vim. Then now let's run it. Exploit.sh, and it's running. Okay, we have this pound symbol which symbolizes that we are root. So let's just confirm that. Let's do who am I? Who am I? And as you can see, we are now logged in as root. So yeah, let's cd into the root directory, get the root flag, and we'll be done. So I'll just do an ls and as you can see here, we have the root.txt file. So let's just cut that out, display its contents. Root.txt. Okay, and we finally got the root.txt flag. So we'll just paste it here, and we're done with this this particular room. It was a fairly easy room, but confusing because for getting the password of the SSH, it was a search. You had to go and grab it from the image of the room, which nobody can guess that. It's so confusing. At least it should have had an hint of how to get that. But yeah, we've found the room, and that's that. I hope you learned a few things using steghide. You can look into using steghide, using cyberchef, and all the other tools that we've used here. That's it. I'll see you in the next video.